The lecture hall hummed with the quiet chatter students from a dozen different species. Some with smooth, chitinous plates, others with fur-covered limbs, and a few with bioluminescent patterns flickering across their skin. Professor Vrell, a tall, spindly Zentian with 4 eyes and a voice like rustling leaves, stood at the podium, tapping a long digit against the holoscreen. Today, Vrell announced, we will be discussing one of the most infamous death worlds in the known galaxy, Earth. A ripple of murmurs spread through the room. Death worlds were rare, planets so hostile that most intelligent life either never evolved there or perished quickly. But Earth was different. Classified as a Category 12 death world, the highest possible rating, Earth is a planet of extreme gravitational pull, erratic weather patterns, rampant microbial life, and predators that actively hunt for sport. Vrell continued, pulling up an image of a grizzly bear. This creature, for example, can weigh up to 800 kilos, run faster than most transport pods, and has claws capable of rending plasteel. A few students shuddered. One of the insectoid Tishi in the back row let out a nervous chitter. And then Vrell said gravely, there are the humans. The holoscreen shifted to display a human, an unassuming bipedal mammal with soft skin, no natural armor, and no venomous appendages. Despite their fragile appearance, humans are the apex predators of Earth. They possess an unnerving resistance to pain, an ability to recover from injuries that would incapacitate most species, and, most disturbingly, a psychological trait known as adrenaline-fueled rage. A few more uneasy glances were exchanged. Then, from the front row, came a slow, deliberate sigh. Every eye turned toward the source. Sitting there, arms crossed, was Alex Carter, the only human exchange student in the entire Galactic University. Alex had been quiet all semester, mostly keeping to himself, though rumors had spread about him, like the time he carried 3 crates of reactor coolant by himself when the anti-grav lifter failed, or when he'd casually eaten a Zentian spice pod, a snack known to dissolve most species' stomach linings, and asked for seconds. Now, he was staring at the holoscreen with an expression caught between amusement and annoyance. Professor Vrell hesitated. Mr. Carter, I suppose you might have some insights. Alex leaned forward, resting his elbows on the desk. Oh, I've got a few. The class held its breath. You're not wrong about Earth being dangerous, Alex admitted, but you're missing why humans are the way we are. He stood up, walking toward the podium. The other students instinctively leaned back as he passed. You keep calling us apex predators, but that's not really it. On Earth, everything is trying to kill you. The weather, the plants, the animals, even the bacteria. Humans didn't evolve to be the strongest. We evolved to be the most stubborn. He gestured at the holoscreen. That bear? Yeah, it's terrifying. But you know what humans did when we first encountered them? We studied them, learned how they hunted, how they behaved, and then we figured out how to survive them. Same with everything else on Earth. A Tishi student raised a trembling limb. But your planet's gravity is crushing. How do you even move? Alex grinned. You get used to it. And then, when you go somewhere with lower gravity, he jumped, lightly by human standards, but still high enough that the class gasped as he nearly brushed the ceiling. You get to have fun. Professor Vrell cleared his throat. Mr. Carter, your species' ability to endure extreme conditions is well documented, but surely you must admit that Earth's ecosystem is unusually lethal? Alex chuckled. Oh, absolutely. But you know what's scarier than a planet trying to kill you? He paused. Humans who get bored. The holoscreen flickered as he pulled up new images. Humans skiing down active volcanoes, free climbing sheer cliffs without safety gear, and, most baffling of all, a group of humans laughing while being tossed around in a tiny boat during a hurricane. You see, when humans don't.